Hello friends, how to make a septic tank in my village? Okay friends, this septic tank is made of contain. These genteng are usually used for roof of houses, but failed in the manufacturing process. Look this and this. Soka brand. Soka Gendeng is the best brand and well known in Indonesia. Okay friends, there are many pores as water infiltration so that this septic tank is anti-full. Then on top of it, covered with cast concrete. Yeah, this has been covered with plywood under which the wooden supports have been installed. Next, it's going to be in the concrete. And here's the concrete frame. And this has been cast in the concrete, friends, and it's 12 centimeter thick. At last, may be useful, and thank you for watching.